This is the second part of the video from Hebden Bridge to Sowerby Bridge, and there are so many beautiful sceneries, water reflection, so many beautiful boats has been seen in the view, the playground, playing children, and this is the second part of the video. So please watch full video and like the videos as well, and leave good comments, and please subscribe if you are new viewers. Beautiful reflection in water. Sunshine. Very light, but it's looking so amazing. One canal. And another canal. Sunshine is welcoming our trip this morning. Manchester 29 miles, Sowerby Bridge 3 miles. I can't skip these reflection of the scenery in the water. It's looking so amazing. I think this is the first time I'm looking this white color or grayish color boat. Another beautiful reflection in the water. We have arrived at bridge number 2. I hope there is a one number, and that will be Sowerby Bridge. So dark, mate. Number 2 bridge is very dark and it's very long as well. So let's walk together side it. Yeah. Your sound is echoing as well here, and it's scary and beautiful as well. Yeah, sorry, my finger was in the video as well. Need to be very careful here, walking. Yeah, walking. Yeah, and the last steps. Wow, it's amazing. Oh, they're diving in the water and welcoming near the Sowerby Bridge. Thanks so much. They gone under the water and now they're coming out. Wow, diving, enjoying their time. So excited, dogs. I think this boat is tired of the water and is taking rest, or probably is very old and need to go old house or hospital for the repair. I'm just joking, so don't take it serious, mates and friends. Thanks. Very anxiously waiting for the bridge number 1, and we're gonna arrive to Sowerby Bridge, and then we're gonna head from there, inshallah, if Allah wills, towards Halifax. Another beautiful dock. is welcoming us near the Sowerby. I think they are so nice. And the red boats you can see. I hope Sowerby Bridge is not very far now. Guess this is a bridge number 1. 1A bridge. Alhamdulillah, we have arrived on our destination. Welcome to Sowerby Bridge. Thanks so much for being with us.